12 tabs, 5 apps, 100 PDFs, and still stuck. Students today are not short of content. They're drowning in it. What if, instead of more content, you could see the path? PrepGraph shows the path. Everywhere someone is saying, watch this lecture, download this PDF, solve this test, revise this chapter, ask this AI tool. But the real question is not what content is available. The real question is, what does this student need next? A student can watch a full lecture and still miss the concept, complete a chapter and still fail the application, solve 10 questions and still repeat the same mistake, because content completion is not the same as concept mastery. Most students never find out where learning actually breaks. A weak concept, a missing prerequisite, a misconception, a formula confusion, a reasoning gap. When the real gap is unknown, more content only adds more noise. This is where PrepGraph begins. PrepGraph is an AI-powered academic intelligence platform that helps students stop drowning in content and start following a clear learning path. It doesn't begin by throwing more material at the student. It begins by understanding the student. First, PrepGraph diagnoses where the student stands at the concept level. Every answer becomes evidence. A wrong answer isn't just marked wrong. PrepGraph asks, why did this happen? What concept broke? What prerequisite is missing? What should be fixed first? Then PrepGraph builds a personalized learning path. Every student does not need the same next video. One needs to rebuild a basic. One needs practice. One needs a harder question. One needs a misconception fixed. PrepGraph decides what comes next. PrepGraph teaches like a personal tutor. It doesn't hand over an answer and disappear. It explains. It checks understanding. It asks questions. It adapts difficulty. And it moves forward only when the student is ready. Generic AI waits for prompts. PrepGraph leads the learning journey. PrepGraph tracks progress concept by concept. Students see what's improving. Parents see where their child is stuck. Teachers see which concepts need attention, and PrepGraph predicts readiness, comparing the student's level with the target exam. Readiness needs evidence. Students are drowning in content. PrepGraph shows the path. SAT, JEE, NEET, or school exams. The future of learning is not more random content. It is diagnosis, personalization, progress, readiness. Marks show what. PrepGraph shows why. Comment path and let PrepGraph show your learning path.